Hello, friends. It's good to have you here today. My name is Okoyemi, and for those that are coming here for the very first time, I want to say welcome to this environment. If you're watching on YouTube, you're watching on Facebook, wherever you're watching this from, I want to say welcome here. And if you're yet to follow this page or this profile, I want to encourage you to follow, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and be part of this beautiful family. Here we just share information as regards relocation, opportunities abroad, scholarship, anything you can think of as regards relocation, personal growth and development, lifestyle, and several other things. So it's a lot to be learned in here. But today I just want to, attend to react to the issue of certificate of sponsorship in the UK. So I understand there has been a lot of difficulty getting COS from companies in the UK, especially after the announcement of the new immigration rule. So now this is my advice for some set of people. If you're in that category, I will encourage you to listen to this, for the full information. Now, I got to know that if okay now first of all, I will say that certificate of sponsorship is a free document, a free relocation document from the UK government, from the Home Office, and it is being received by your employer or by the sponsor. So now, if peradventure you bought your certificate of sponsorship, we all understand that according to the rule of the country, it's not legal to buy certificate of sponsorship. So it's not legal. It's illegal because the home office give this out to the to the employer or to the sponsor. So it's not meant to be sold. But in a situation whereby you bought your COS and your employer or your sponsor is not giving you shift, let me start from there. You've not been getting job, or you've got something far from what you should be doing. For example, you should be doing maybe a minimum of 37 hours per week or 40 hours per week. And even in a week, you don't do more than 10, or you don't even do up to that, because I've had serious, you know, occurrences, different people lodging different complaints about how some have not even seen their sponsors before. Someone who brought you, who gave you the document you need for relocation, you've not seen them before. You've not even seen one of them before. You've not even seen view any. You don't have an idea of their whereabouts. You just know that's a particular company brought into the country. That's possible on this side. Yeah. But now this is what some people have done that has worked for them. And I will encourage you to do likewise. Now, two things here now. Two things I'm gonna encourage you. Number one, talk to your sponsor via call, phone call, or email address. You can send a mail or you can give them a phone call and let them understand that they need to, if their license has been revoked now, any company whose license has been revoked is going to affect every employee that is registered under that company. So if you have brought your COS and your company's license is being retrieved, then it means you are also, your leg is shaking. You are also going to lose your status, which is not good for you. So I'll encourage you to do two things now. Number one, reach out to your sponsor. Some sponsor might just be, expecting a miracle from the home office. I'm not saying that miracle cannot happen now, but I'm saying that they need to take a step to ensure that the license is being what is being retrieved, is being restored back to them. So one of the things somebody did was this. One, they call for a solicitor. Yeah. They commonly call for a solicitor, and then home office look into the matter. And what they ask the company to do is just to submit some documents, maybe something to prove that they actually need that particular employee in that organization. Just something to, document to show that they have the capacity. I don't know what they ask for, but I know that they're going to ask for some document, which I believe the sponsor will be able to provide. Of course, your sponsor is registered, is licensed by the UK government in the first place. So it means that they have a particular documentation, they have a particular qualification for them to have been licensed. So they might have to request for those documents or maybe any other additional document. So of course from there they can look into the matter. And for those that I know of some that their license has been, retrieved back to them. It has been restored back to them. So if you're in that category, you might have to talk to your sponsor or to your employer that they need to take legal step. They need to talk to a solicitor and they have to, do the needful in that regard. Now, on the other side, which is the second part of this, you know, solution, is that you who this the whole process affected. For example, some people have gotten a mail from the home office saying they have 60 days, to get another COS. That means they have 60 days to get another COS or relocate or leave the country and all of that, since they don't have legal documents to stay in the country anymore. So I will encourage you to also search for another sponsor or another company that will give you license, that will give you sponsorship rather. So you need to have a plan B. Yes, they can go to get a solicitor, but what happens if the solicitor or if the soliciting doesn't work out? What if the company license isn't retrieved or restored back to them? You'll be the one at stake, so you need to fight for yourself first. So what you have to do is to look for another employer. Look for another employer. In fact, once you know that you bought your COS, try and have another support. Try to have another employer if that is possible. So if you're doing 20 hours with the person that brought you in, do 20 hours with another company so that can give you license anyway, that can give you sponsorship. Why am I saying license? That can give you sponsorship. So reach out to them, work with them. Some of these people they have the COS, but they won't give you immediately you start work. But if they have seen you work and they see you as a good staff that they can, invest on, then they don't mind giving you the sponsorship. So that's why I said 20 hours with the company that give you COS and you know that they are shaking, or maybe you are not sure you are not certain they won't be retrieved, their license won't be revoked now. Then work 20 hours with the other one, who you, of course, that you're sure that these ones have a good license. They have license, they have COS, and just let them know that. Work with them, let them see what you are capable of doing. That gets them impressed, and they're going to, issue out the sponsorship to you. So please, guys, don't just rest because. Don't just be weighed down. Don't get depressed. Don't get disturbed. I understand this can be very disturbing. But what you have to do is to take action. You can't fold your hands and look. So please go ahead, talk to your sponsor, let them get a solicitor. On the other hand, try to get another COS from another licensed company. Now, for you to know the licensed company, you will always there's a license list on the UK government website. If you need it, you can drop. Okay, I can drop it in the comment section. The UK, the list of these licensed sponsors now. So you can go there, check the list of licensed sponsors, and be sure, because it's been updated every day. Some new sponsors are being brought back to the list. Some are new, while some are being revoked. So there's always an update to that list. Please always check to be sure that your feet are standing firm in the country. So that is what I've brought to you today, and I wish you best of luck in this search. So if you have a reaction to this, or you have a solution to this, you have one or two things to react to as regards this information, please kindly drop this information in the comment section, and that would really go a great, a great way, helping somebody watching this as well. So thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna see you again later. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you can go to YouTube, just click Olotu Okoyemi, and you're going to land yourself on my page, or you can check the link attached to this video. You're going to see my YouTube link, subscribe, and you're going to have a lot of more information to watch and to see for yourself. So guys, thank you for watching. I wish you, if you have somebody in the UK, don't forget to share this video with them. It will help somebody a great deal. All right guys, see you later. Bye.